Okay, what now? The Mercedes is trying to tell us something. We have the box. We have Y bends. Now we just need to get this changed. And by the magic of TV, the best tire store in San Diego. I paid Bears $16 to change the sensor. Let's see if it starts taking. Alright, took about 5 miles and the sensor's working. Magic! Computer magic. Let's see how long it will work. I'll report back if it breaks.